सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करना ना भूलिए। थैंक यू सो मच। Hi guys and welcome to my channel Happy Pink Studio. I hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video I'm going to show you how you all can pack your handbag very comfortably, very smartly and very efficiently for a long journey. This video is specially made for people who are going to travel by train or by air. I hope this video really helps you, and I have made this video in such a way that your journey becomes really comfortable and full of fun. So before starting this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel, and with that, let's head towards today's video. So this is the bag which I usually carry while traveling. This is quite big and a lot of things get fit into this, and also this bag is really lightweight and also it's very comfortable. Now when you're traveling by train and all, it's good that if you don't carry a luxurious bag, it's good you carry something which is simple yet comfortable and yet something in which you can put a lot of things. So I always tie the hand sanitizer with the bag, so it's easy for me to use it whenever I require it. So the first thing what I keep inside my bag is a stole, a shawl or a jacket inside a zip pouch like this, so that it's easy for me to carry it whenever I need it. So it's very good if you can put your jacket or something, because in flights and all you may feel cold. So it's good if you can carry something like this. And then the second thing what I carry in my bag is a notebook, which I always keep it in my handbag wherever I go, because here I note down any of my video ideas, whatever I have, whatever I need to write down. So I always keep a book with me, and inside the bag I also keep pen with me so that I can note down whatever I need. And then I keep my wallet. This wallet is quite big to put a lot of things inside this. So I keep all my ID cards, my credit card, my debit card, some money, some currency wherever I'm traveling. So I keep some loose currencies. I also keep my photos along with me. So if in case I need it for something, I always keep it. And I also keep my Aadhaar card and passport inside this. Then I keep sunglasses with me, and sunglasses is good to carry when you're traveling in case you don't feel fresh or something, so it's good to put on sunglasses. And then in a pouch I keep my checkbook always when I'm traveling. You never know what you need when you need, so it's good if you can keep checkbooks along with you, so I always carry it with me. And then inside my bag I keep these tissues, which are really important while traveling. So tissues is something which you must keep. I also carry hand cream along with me, because while traveling in flight and all, your hand gets really dry. So it's good if you can always keep hand cream to hydrate your hands. It's really important even to hydrate hands. This is from Soap and Glory. You can keep any hand cream whatever you have. And then I keep this iPad along with me, because I don't like to use laptops too much, so I keep iPad. This is good whenever I need to check my mails or anything, in case if I need to mail. So I keep iPad. If you have laptop, you can keep laptop. I also carry Kindle along with me, which doesn't have any charge. So I carry this while traveling in case if I'm feeling bored, and in case if I want to read something. So I download a lot of books, whatever interests me, and I keep this always when I'm traveling, especially for long flights and all. So Kindle is also a good option. If you have book, you can keep book. And in a small pouch like this is actually a jewelry pouch. I keep my charger, my headphones, and I also keep power bank. Now power bank is really important while you're traveling, so I also keep power bank along with me. And this pouch is a jewelry pouch in which I bought some earrings, some gold earring, long bag. So I use that pouch to keep such things. It's good to keep inside pouches, so it's easy for you to take out things. And inside a black pouch I keep my jewelry. I always keep my jewelry inside a black pouch, and also I keep that in my handbag. Never keep your jewelry inside your luggage. It's dangerous, so always make sure that you're keeping your jewelry inside your handbag. Inside a pouch like this, I keep my toiletries, a travel size face wash. Face wash is really good if you are using it while traveling. I also keep this toilet seat covers. Now if you don't find toilet seat covers, it's good if you can keep those pee sprays which is available nowadays in Nykaa and on Amazon. So always make sure that you're keeping a pee spray or a toilet seat cover, because a lot of public toilets are not that good, so make sure you're keeping one of them. And I also carry this travel size brush and toothpaste. And then I carry wet wipes with me. So I have two of them, one which is almost over and one which is really fresh. So I always keep wet wipes with me because it's really good if you don't want to wash your hands or something before eating. So you can always use wet wipes. So never forget your wet wipes. In a pouch like this, I keep my sanitary pads whenever I'm traveling. I always keep sanitary pads along with me in a pouch like this. So never ever forget such important things. And then again in a pouch, I keep all my medicines inside this. It's good if you can carry medicines along with you, something for fever, headache, stomachache, and I always carry something even for wheezing, or if you're feeling giddy or something. So it's good you can carry medicines along with you in a pouch. And then I also carry mint with me, which is really good and which is also very important because it's always good to smell fresh. So make sure that you carry a lot of mint with you. And then I carry this Victoria's Secret body mist along with me. I know Victoria's Secret body mist is not good as it doesn't last for really long, but for 2 to 3 hours it's good. So I carry this small bottle, and it's also very small and comfortable to use and comfortable to carry too. So that's the reason I carry this. You can carry whatever you have, any perfume, deo, whatever. I carry a huge pouch of makeup like this, and inside this I keep my makeup remover travel size. I also keep a comb, a moisturizer which is a travel size, bindi, a compact powder which gives a good coverage. So I always keep this one from MAC, some hair ties, hair clip, mascara, eyebrow pencil, kajal, eyeliner, a lip balm particularly because your lips may get dry in the flight, so lip balms is a must, some nude lipsticks, a primer to carry along with all this, and I also carry an extra pair of earrings, artificial one, because I always lose my earrings, so I always keep them. And I also carry this tripod along with me. This is a mini tripod because nowadays I'm vlogging. And then I keep a pouch full of snacks. Here I'm showing just one snack. Actually I keep a pouch full of snacks, digestive biscuits or nuts, anything, because in airport and all the food is a little expensive, and if you're traveling by train, it's good if you can keep food so that you don't feel hungry. And in the side pouch of my bag, I always keep extra ziplocs in case you need to carry something or anything. It's good to carry extra ziplocs. So these are the things which I keep inside my travel bag. These things are really important, very essential. I hope you also carry such things. After putting all these things inside the bag, this bag weighs lesser than 5 kilos. So that is also very good because in plane and all you can keep hand luggage up to 7 kilos. So make sure you carry everything that is essential for you and make your journey really comfortable. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked what I have done today, which is totally different from what I do, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Please do not forget to share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. So please share it with your family and friends, and please tell everyone to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all soon with more videos. Till then, bye. You all take care.